The passive with simple present. Active voice. Luis bakes bread. Passive voice. The bread is baked by Luis. When we have an active voice sentence, the subject is, for example, Luis, and the subject performs the action. When we have a passive voice sentence, the object of the sentence becomes the subject of the sentence, and in this case, the subject receives the action. For example, active voice, farmers grow strawberries. Passive voice, strawberries are grown by farmers. That's the structure. Object, verb to be, verb in participle by subject. The structure for passive voice. Example 2. Active voice, Mr. Jackson visits the city. Passive voice, the city is visited by Mr. Jackson. Example 3. Active voice, the voice sings a song. Passive voice, a song is sung by the voice. Next example. Two students answer an exam. Passive voice, an exam is answered by the students. Example 4. Laura prepares the food. Passive voice, the food is prepared by Laura. Next example. Charlie rides a motorcycle. Passive voice, a motorcycle is ridden by Charlie. See you in the next video.